everyone, and welcome to our video on how to make a booking using the availability chart. The availability chart is another way to make a booking within NewBook. This is especially good for group bookings. Simply open Availability Chart from your menu search. Click the boxes that relate to the date and category that you are wanting to book. From the top bar, select Add from Chart and New Booking, and continue your booking as normal. If you're making a group booking, switch your booking mode to group booking. Select the number of sites within each category and then their dates. Then simply go back to Add from Chart and New Bookings Group. For additional assistance in setting this feature up, or for any other FAQs on this feature, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides.